I got it. I love Mercedes. Whoa.
What's the smart car gonna do?
Yeah! Bro, I love Mercedes products. Remember what I said. That shit is fucking mean. Meet last time. I missed it, of course, and my man said the Corvette was out here, and I'll show you how to pull in a second, but he said I guess Corvette's doing a burnout, man.
Yeah.
And he slammed dead into the pole and knocked it down.
Girlfriend in the bushes.
And the girlfriend was in the bushes. My man about to show me. I'll give him a second. You really have to total it. Oh, that's your. You... I like it. Real life. That's an option you can't buy. Look at that pipe, though. Hey, bro. Before you hit it, you want to tell me your social media?
Sergio_LS3.
All right, bro. Appreciate that, brother.
Hit it.
When you see the car jump.
All I need to see is that. All I need is a fucking see. Look at that shit. Just homing.
You got it.
Hey, you should show that other Camaro off, man.
BTR stage 3 cam, Texas speed long tube headers.
I'm not trying to blind him, y'all.
BTR3 stage cam.
Yeah, BTR stage 3 cam. Factory exhaust, MPP from Chevy. Nothing
How much you pulling?
Close to 500.
Yeah.
Shy of 5.
Ain't bad.
Shy of 5.
Yeah, exhaust is stock.
But you said your cams are different?
Yeah, the cam is a BTR stage 3 cam.
Yeah, apologize, man. I ain't trying to blind you. I'm going to do it from right here.
Close to 5 wheel though. Probably maybe like maybe 560 motor.
Maybe 560 motor,
You got
guys.
headers?
Yeah, Texas speed, long tubes, no cams.
Texas speed, long
Ported throttle body and ported manifold.
Yeah. All right.
Ported throttle body and ported manifold.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you over there.
On the lease, but I take care of all the car show
Take
stuff
care of all the
while
car
he's
show.
doing the other mechanic work and stuff.
All right. I don't want to
But-
blind you.
No, it's all good.
All right. When's the next time you're going to have a meet?
Probably about 3 weeks.
3 weeks
We
from
normally
now?
do it once a month, and we had one last week. This one was just for a birthday party for a guy we know.
Okay.
So the next one will probably be in about 3 weeks.
Okay.
And then we've got another one lined up in October at Kickback Jack's. But you'll have to go to a link on our page to get a ticket for Kickback Jack's because they're gonna block off a couple hundred spaces
For
for
us.
us to use. And I'm trying to work out a deal with them where the tickets will get you a discount at Kickback Jack's for that night.
Okay.
But that's still in the works, but it will be at Kickback Jack's regardless in
And
October.
What's the link? Is it on Facebook? Is it?
There will be a link on Facebook on our page, which is Smoke and Mirrors Performance.
All right. Yeah. Get that
And then-
Smoke and Mirrors performance.
Smoke and Mirrors Garage Meet is the meet page.
Okay.
Is the meet page that we set up.
Okay. Cool. All right.
And then we've got stickers and T-shirts for sale. If you want to pay to park, we'll hold a spot for you. It's $5. If not, you just get whatever's available when you show up.
Okay.
Don't have to pay though. It's mostly a free event. We try not to. We're not a money grab, so we're not gonna make you pay to show up. You know, we'll do it for free if you want to.
Cool.
You just kind of have to. You know, you get what you get when you get here.
Gotcha, bro. All right. Appreciate that, man. Aw. Hey, take care, man.
I appreciate it.
All right, no doubt, no doubt. Got a 350s up. It's a weight. Come on out. like it.
Get this shit. There you got it.
That was a good version. That was my video got good.
Oh yeah. Come on. Hey, you gotta beat the other Camaro, bro. You gotta do better.
Bro, my ears hurt. I was saying shit.
Bro, let go. I think you can do one if you did it right here.
Hey guys, before my joint end, I just want y'all to see the road real quick, man. It was a great turnout. Great turnout. Little Corolla burning tires. It was great. Alright, y'all. And y'all do something for me. As usual, y'all go follow me on Not The Real Will Smith, Instagram, as well as my YouTube, y'all. Hey, y'all be safe. This way or that way? Y'all be safe.